What if summer never came? What if the sun vanished, and the world was swallowed by darkness? In 1816 that nightmare became reality. A freezing summer, dead crops, starvation, riots, and whispers of something even darker. Desperate people resorting to cannibalism. This is the terrifying true story of the year without a summer. The horror began a year earlier, in April 1815, with the deadliest volcanic eruption in recorded history. Mount Tambora, a sleeping giant in Indonesia, awakened with a force never seen before. It exploded with the power of 1,000,000 atomic bombs, blasting rock and fire miles into the sky. The sun was gone, and with it, so was life as people knew it. By the summer of 1816 the earth had changed. The sky turned a sickly, apocalyptic yellow. The sun was weak, like a dying candle. Frost covered fields in June. In some places it snowed in July. People looked to the heavens in terror, believing it was the end of days. Then the real nightmare started. Crops withered and died overnight. Livestock starved. Within weeks, food was running out. Prices skyrocketed. People would do anything to survive. Hunger turned to madness. In cities, riots broke out. In the countryside, people scavenged for anything remotely edible. Rats, tree bark, even dirt. But the darkest stories come from the isolated villages, where entire families disappeared. Some say the missing weren't lost to the cold, they were eaten. That same summer, as storms raged outside a dark mansion in Switzerland, a group of writers gathered to tell ghost stories. One of them, a young woman named Mary Shelley, wrote about a monster made from dead bodies. She called it Frankenstein. Scientists warned that another supervolcano like Yellowstone could erupt at any time. If it does, another year without a summer could return. But this time, with nearly 8 billion people on Earth, the chaos would be unstoppable. What if the sun vanished for a year? Would civilization survive? Or would we turn into something monstrous? Let me know in the comments, while the sun is still shining.